Alright, y'all. We finna build some homemade biscuits. I got my daughter in here building them because I don't know how. She got the magic touch. So she gonna tell y'all about the process. She gonna tell y'all what she's doing. And all measurements are gonna be estimates.
So starting with about a cup of milk. And we're gonna add about a third of a cup of shortening. Casually gets it with a fork.
Can I hold it?
And we're going to try to combine that. It's not going to combine very well, but we're going to try. It's going to make it easier to incorporate into your flour.
Y'all, it takes a little practice to make biscuits like this. That's why she's making them and I'm not. I used to make them when I was a kid, and we taught her how to make them, and she practiced up on it, and she got good at making biscuits. She enjoys making the biscuits, so we just let her make the biscuits. Whenever we need biscuits, we like, hey, Kyla, get up out of bed and come make some biscuits.
And her do it.
And her do it.
Do
Can you try saying she?
She
Say she do it.
do it.
Now say she does it.
She did it.
Yeah, that's how you talk.
You see the little floaty pieces of shortening.
You get
Once
y'all
it gets
in
looking
there.
like that, you can begin to add your flour. I add about 2 cups of flour, and you slowly incorporate that in. You don't just dump it all in. That ain't how it's done. You gotta work it in there. Just shine on in there. And now we're gonna add just a little sprinkle of salt, just a pinch of salt, and mix that off in there.
With both prepositions. Off in there. She talk like a daddy, y'all.
A little bit kin to him. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Once you get that all mixed in there, you gotta spray your pan. And then we just get as much as it takes to make a biscuit. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we gotta wait for that preheat. Clean up after yourself.
Done.
Alright, y'all, this is what these biscuits look like after about 35 minutes. And homemade biscuits.